Hi, I'm Marianne Benetti, and we have finally finished our front yard makeover. We took out a lawn that was very thirsty and replaced it with desert landscaping. Now, we did this ourselves just to show you that you can do this project on your own using simple tools like a rake and a shovel and a little hand tool like a mattock. The steps were, first of all, we dug up the sod, turned it upside down to create the berms over here. This low riverbed then we filled with the medium-sized gold rock. The gray rock is the ground cover rock. And finally, what we're finishing up right now is putting in the boulders. Now, these boulders here, have got some white agate in it. And the secret is when you do the boulders, bury them. Bury the boulders so about 1/4, 1/3 of the boulder is below the ground level. That gives it a more natural look. Then don't just have the boulder all by itself. Make sure that you add some of these smaller rocks around the boulder because that's going to give it also a more natural look. So if you remember these tips, don't be intimidated and just dig in. You too can get rid of a thirsty lawn and put in a desert landscape. This has been Marianne Benetti with easy answers for great gardens.